of course, ang kanilang familiarity on the court ang nagre-resulta sa kanilang more polished unit in executing their plays. Pero sabi nga ni Coach, hindi pa daw nagpipeak ang kanyang team. But with them clinching a berth dito sa Group A, let us look for F2 to peak in the next coming games. And lastly, happy birthday, Denise. Back to you guys.
Alam mo ng buong bayan, birthday mo. Alam mo, hahanap ng buta si Chino, no? Nakalusot. Nakalusot. Ito, si Ramil never naman satisfied sa kurso ng whether he's coaching the college team or the club team here in the PSL. We are at 5-8 as Puntillas is all set to serve. Reporting to you from the Batangas Convention Center. Sam Sarmenta together with Denise Tan, and we've got Chino Louis Pio with us patrolling the sidelines. The referee is just making sure that everything is spick and span, neat and ready. That is referee Hugo in the perch there. Referee Bukid downstairs. There he is. Figuro pa lang ng katawan nitong dalawang referee. Alam mo dating player. Itapas talaga yung balibag. Ano ba ang problema nito mga ito? Sequence ng rotation natin. May lumabas alam ko na. I think I have a sense of what it is. The players in the players on the bench. Position nila. Okay. Kim Pardo with a one-handed set. And that is not straight and true.
Alam mo, it's really too easy for F2, especially with their frontliners. And walang sumasabay dun sa side nitong Petron.
Well, this is such a powerful lineup. And continues to get better through the years. This is almost like an alumni homecoming for them. They've played together for so long. Masangkay with the set. Molina is easily thwarted from the back row. One-handed, dink over. Mahaba nga ng rally. Ayaw magpatalo. Lumasta.
Sayang good intention from Masangkay kasi makikita mo even though that went out, masyado nakapasok yung depensa ni Don Macandili, and she would have been late for that one kung pumasok nga yun.
And now the biggest lead of F2 at 5 points here in the first set. Long. You have to play F2 point for point. Can't allow them to create such a big lead and then you'll watch them enjoy themselves. Here's Nuna, set to serve. Look short, yes it is.
They're committing too much service error. So, kanina binensyon ni Coach George, bago tayo mag-first technical time yun, nakadalawang service errors na daw sila. And they're just killing their momentum pag ginagawa nila yun.
The always effervescent Abi Maraño, yes, beautiful one. Molina got it over. Palma striking, kept alive. Better defense by Petron.
Nice.
Pick up by Chuck Cruz. May laman ng palo ni Chuck. Huli ka. Buhay pa. Becomes a set. Palo!
Oh, wow. Good adjustment by Puntillas. Dun sa talon niya, alam mo, medyo nabitin siya dun sa bola. She was a backliner, so medyo limitado yung galaw niya. She can't cross the attack line. Pero nakapag-adjust siya. Talaga namang stretch niya yung buong katawan niya. Maiabot lang yung bolang yun.
In the meantime, Molina is all set to serve. Tusok na tusok yung depensa ng Petron. Ooh, wasted serve. Daming wasted, ano? Dami, no?
Mamaya, bibilangin natin yan. Let's see kung gaano karami yung talagang tinapo nilang puntos.
And it's still a lead of 5. It was largest at, still at 5 though. Hasn't changed since then. When it was 11-6, and that is inside.
That's good target for Palma, reading the defense of F2. Medyo nakapasok sila at medyo kumpul-kumpul dun sa gitna ng court.
There's Masangkay all set to serve the center for Petron Triactive. Nice off speed. Huli pa rin. Hindi nataas din doon.
Ganda yung basa ni Palma. Oh.
Sobra. Alam mo, itong M2, kailangan patrabahuhin mo ito eh.
Medyo nag-relax sila sa defense nila ng konti.
Sneaky si Ara, no? Nahuli. Huli. Short. Tatlo na yan. Tatlong sunod-sunod na yan.
Yeah.
Si George Pascual, lakad ng lakad sa sideline, tumitingin sa langit, sa sapatos niya. Gusto makakita ng dahilan kung bakit nangyayari sa team niya ito. Ilang beses na niya sinilip yung sapatos niya. Tingnan natin kung may solusyon yan. Ay, sus, seryoso.
They have to start communicating. It's very obvious. Nag-usap kagad si Masangkay at si Palma at parang naguluhan sila kung ano ba talaga yung play na dapat nangyari kanina.
Akala mo bumebuelo na ang koponan ng Petron, samantalang too many errors on their part, most of them unforced. Gone with the setup job to the back row. Masangkay is there. Bang Pineda sets it up. Pontilla strikes.
Oh, wow.
Wow, crafty play, but no, not much in terms of damage to the back row. Fajardo lifts it up. It becomes an opportunity, and ends up short. D apologizing to the bench. Sumagat na ba si Ramil?
Kalmado pa yan si Ramil.
Si Ramil ang batayan ng medyo naiinis yan pag nagsalita ng tuloy-tuloy.
Oh, wow. Another one.
Mga 4-5 na, no?
In total?
Apat na serve ang bilang natin since the technical time.
Yes. 6 na in total.
Mika Reyes all set to serve. 15, Gis ang score. Bang Pineda is there. May idlangan yun, hindi lang naitaas sa coverage.
Sayang kasi Nunag was right there. Pwede niya na sanang kunin yun. Kaya lang nauna yung dapa kaysa doon sa hakbang.
Exactly. Ang lamang ng F2 Logistics magbabalik ang PSL All Filipino.